Hey there, vintage lovers. Welcome back to Joda Decor, your go-to channel for vintage decor inspiration. If you love the rustic farmhouse aesthetic but don't want to break the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my favorite budget-friendly rustic farmhouse decor hacks to help you achieve that warm, cozy, vintage-inspired look. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below to let me know which tip you love the most. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to create a rustic farmhouse vibe on a budget is by repurposing old wooden pieces. Head to your local thrift store or flea market and look for wooden trays, crates, or even cutting boards. With a little sanding and a coat of whitewash or stain, these pieces can be transformed into beautiful farmhouse decor. Use them as shelves, centerpiece bases, or rustic wall art. The charm of reclaimed wood instantly adds character to any space. Mason jars are a farmhouse staple, and the best part? They're super affordable. To achieve a distressed vintage look, grab some chalk paint and lightly brush it onto the jars. Once dry, gently sand the edges for a naturally aged effect. Fill them with dried flowers, cotton stems, or even fairy lights for a warm, cozy touch. You can also use them as utensil holders or candle holders for that perfect farmhouse aesthetic. Decorating your walls doesn't have to be expensive. Create your own farmhouse-style wall art using reclaimed wood, stencils, and a bit of paint. A simple quote sign, botanical prints, or vintage farmhouse sketches can instantly add charm. You can also frame old book pages or sheet music for a timeless, rustic feel. Look for inexpensive frames at thrift stores and give them a distressed paint finish for an authentic vintage touch. Fabrics play a huge role in achieving that cozy, farmhouse aesthetic. Look for affordable linen, burlap, or cotton fabrics in neutral tones. A simple DIY project like making your own pillow covers, table runners, or curtain tiebacks can transform your space. You can even tea-stain fabric to give it an aged, vintage appearance. Mixing textures like lace and burlap can add a soft yet rustic charm to your home. Lighting sets the mood for any space, and vintage-inspired lighting doesn't have to cost a fortune. Swap out your modern light fixtures for thrifted chandeliers, lantern-style pendant lights, or Edison bulb string lights. If you love a good DIY, try turning old mason jars into pendant lights for a true farmhouse touch. Soft, warm lighting instantly makes your space feel cozy and inviting, just like a country cottage. You don't need to buy expensive farmhouse-style furniture, just give your existing pieces a budget-friendly makeover. A simple chalk paint and distressing technique can turn an old dresser, table, or cabinet into a charming rustic piece. If you love the chippy paint look, try using Vaseline or candle wax before painting, then sanding for an authentically weathered finish. It's an easy way to bring character to your furniture without spending a lot. No rustic farmhouse look is complete without some natural greenery. Instead of buying expensive faux plants, visit your local dollar store or thrift shop for affordable greenery options. Dried lavender, eucalyptus, or cotton stems look stunning in vintage pitchers, old tin cans, or rustic baskets. If you prefer fresh plants, consider low-maintenance indoor plants like pothos or ivy to add life and warmth to your space. Your kitchen can easily get a farmhouse makeover without a big budget. Swap out a modern dishware for thrifted ironstone, enamelware, or glass jars for a charming vintage feel. Display wooden cutting boards, rolling pins, or wire baskets for an authentic farmhouse touch. You can also create a cozy coffee station with a mix of antique mugs, mason jars, and rustic shelves to complete the look. And that's it, friends. Budget-friendly rustic farmhouse decor hacks that will help you create a cozy, vintage-inspired home without spending a fortune. Which of these hacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more vintage decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.